Hello, my name is Mitch DeWitt, and I'm a financial advisor at Walkner Condon Financial Advisors. I'm also a CFP, or Certified Financial Planner. A topic that we're seeing a lot more of in Madison, Wisconsin area is something around equity compensation. So a lot of times people think of stock options and getting this as part of their compensation package if you're out in the Bay Area. You think of big tech companies, for example, or you think of some of the success stories like Google, Facebook, Twitter, all those types of companies. Well, actually, right in our backyard here in Wisconsin, we're also seeing companies provide to their employees these different equity compensation plans. It might be as simple as an employee stock purchase plan, or maybe they grant you some restricted stock or restricted stock units. Maybe you actually have options where you can actually have the opportunity to buy in at a predetermined price. And there's all sorts of these differences between, let's say, a pre-IPO or private company versus a publicly traded company. And over the next several weeks, we're going to dive into some of these topics. And we're going to do some quick hitter videos, maybe a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and just talk about some of the considerations that you might want to think about if equity compensation is part of your compensation. We're seeing a lot more incentive around not only just getting your salary and your wages, but this is a way that companies can align your goals with their goals, and hopefully you can grow together over time. One of the big things around this topic is taxation and what it means for you in your situation upon a grant date, let's say, or maybe an exercise date if you're exercising in options. So hopefully we can cover some of those things at a high level. And then, of course, if there's additional questions along the way, please reach out to myself individually or anybody at our firm.